Unit 4, Lesson 3, Solving Equations Literally. This lesson is a page of equations that we're going to do, basically page 19, and the left side, or odd-numbered problems, help you to solve the right side problems. So if we think about the steps in number 1, first x gets multiplied by 3, then it gets added by 2, then it gets divided by 5. So that's how x is packed up. We're going to go the opposite direction. We're going to do the opposite of dividing by 5, which is multiplying by 5. The opposite of adding 2, which is subtracting 2. And the opposite of multiplying by 3, which is dividing by 3. So if we follow these 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. If we multiply by 5, then the 5's will cancel. We have 3x plus 2 equals 35. Then we subtract 2. So 3x is 33. And finally, if we divide by 3, we'll get 11. Now, on number 2, it's almost the same exact steps. In fact, the only difference is it's 2y instead of 2. So we'll multiply by 5, and the 5's will cancel out. We have 3x plus 2y is 35. We'll take away 2y, and when we do that, 2y, since it's not the same kind of thing as 35, will not combine together. They are not like terms. So we'll just rewrite it like that. We'll divide by 3, both sides. Long division bar because we need to divide the entire side by 3. And there we go. That's what x is equal to. It's a formula. It's not a number. Number 3. First, we're going to add 5. 4x over 3 is 16. Then we're going to multiply by 3. Both sides. Cancels out. We got 48, and then we're going to divide by 4. 12. On the right side, the only difference is it's 5y, so we're going to add 5y. 11 and 5y do not combine together, so it's just going to be 11 plus 5y. We'll multiply by 3. The entire thing by 3. So we're going to have to distribute the 3. 33 plus 15y. And finally, we'll divide by 4. Everything by 4. So there's your x. 33 plus 15y divided by 4. It's a formula, because we don't know what y is. Number 5, first I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. That's going to cancel out the 2/5, just giving me x plus 3. For the fractions here, I'm going to go 6 times 5 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. One more step, and we got 12. Okay, number 6, same step. I'm going to multiply by 5 over 2. X plus y. 6 times 5 divided by 2, 15 again. And now, because I'm solving for x, I'm going to subtract y. And it's 15 minus y, because 15 and y do not combine together. Lastly, I'm going to distribute the 2. I'm going to take away the smaller x. So 2x plus 8 is 12. It's a 2-step equation now. I'm going to take away 8. 4, and divide by 2. Okay, literal equation, almost exactly the same thing. Going to distribute the 2. I'm going to take away the smaller x. I'm going to subtract 8y instead of 8. So 2x is 4y. And finally, I want 1x, so I divide by 2. And we got 2y. Okay? So if you can solve the equations on the left, it's very similar to the equations on the right. We'll see you next time.